Number 1. C programming language. We're starting with C, the grandfather of modern programming languages. It's super fast, super low level, and gives you complete control over memory. C is used to build operating systems, embedded devices, and anything where performance really matters. If modern languages were cars, C would be the engine. Number 2. C++ programming language. Next is C++, which basically extends C with object-oriented features. It's the go-to language for game engines, high-frequency trading systems, browsers, and any application that needs raw performance with structure. Think of it as C, but with superpowers. Number 3. Java programming language. Java is all about stability and portability. The motto is, write once, run anywhere, and it powers enterprise systems, back-end services, and a lot of financial software. It used to dominate Android development too. Big companies love Java because it's reliable, scalable, and battle-tested. Number 4. Python programming languages. Now, Python, one of the easiest languages to learn. It's clean, readable, and powerful. Python is everywhere, in AI, machine learning, data science, automation, cybersecurity, and back-end development. If you're starting out today, Python is one of the best choices. Number 5. JavaScript programming language. JavaScript is the language of the web. If a website moves, animates, or responds to you, it's JavaScript. Today, it's not just for front-end. With Node.js, you can use it for back-end, APIs, and full-stack development. It's impossible to avoid JavaScript in modern web development. Number 6. TypeScript programming languages. TypeScript is JavaScript, but smarter. It adds types, helps avoid bugs, and makes large projects way easier to maintain. That's why almost every modern web company prefers TypeScript. Number 7. Go or Golang programming language. Go, created by Google, is built for speed and simplicity. It shines in cloud computing, large-scale backends, and high-performance APIs. Its biggest strengths? Speed, concurrency, and minimalism. Number 8. Rust programming language. Rust is the rising star. It's as fast as C and C++, but with memory safety built in, meaning fewer crashes and fewer bugs. Rust is used in security, operating systems, blockchain, and systems programming. It's the future of safe, high-performance code. Number 9. Swift programming language. Swift is Apple's language for iOS and macOS apps. It's clean, modern, and incredibly fast. If you want to build apps for iPhones or Macs, this is the one. Number 10. Kotlin programming language. Kotlin is now the official language for Android apps. It fixes many of Java's old problems, and developers love how concise and safe it is. If you're into mobile development, Kotlin is a must. Number 11. PHP programming language. PHP gets a lot of hate, but it still powers more than 80% of websites, including WordPress. It's simple, flexible, and widely supported. Frameworks like Laravel make PHP modern and powerful again. Number 12. Ruby programming language. Ruby, especially with Rails, is all about developer happiness and rapid development. Startups love it because you can build and launch a product extremely fast. It's still popular for prototyping and web apps. Number 13. SQL query language. SQL isn't like the others. It's not a programming language, it's a query language used to talk to databases. If your app needs to store data, users, orders, messages, SQL is involved. Every developer needs at least basic SQL. Number 14. R programming language. R is built for statistics. It's popular in data analysis, research, and academic work. If you're working with graphs, math-heavy models, or scientific data, R is your friend. At the end, you also need to understand Bash or shell scripting. Bash is how you automate things on your computer or server. It's essential for DevOps, server management, and cloud engineering. Any serious developer eventually uses Bash. And that's every major programming language explained in just a few minutes. Let me know in the comments which language you want to deep dive on next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.